In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tab settings in Brave browser. If you spend a lot of time browsing the web, having your tabs organized the way you like can make a huge difference in both productivity and convenience. Brave browser includes several tab customization options that allow you to control how tabs appear, behave, and interact with your workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access these settings and customize them to better suit your browsing preferences. To get started, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will open Brave's main settings page, where you can customize everything from privacy options to appearance settings and browser behavior. After entering the settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. From the available categories, click on Appearance. This section contains the visual and interface-related options that control how Brave looks and functions while you're browsing. Once you're inside the Appearance section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Tabs. This is where Brave provides a variety of options for customizing your tab experience. One of the most notable features available here is vertical tabs. If you prefer seeing your tabs along the side of the browser rather than across the top, simply enable the vertical tabs option. This layout can be especially useful if you regularly work with many tabs at once, as it provides more space for tab titles and can make navigation easier. After enabling vertical tabs, you'll notice that additional customization settings become available. These options allow you to adjust how the vertical tab layout behaves. You can review each available checkbox and choose the settings that best match your browsing habits. Since everyone uses tabs differently, Brave gives you the flexibility to tailor the experience to your needs. In addition to vertical tabs, you'll find several other tab-related settings within the same section. These options include features such as disabling the mute function on tab speaker icons, hiding tab close buttons, allowing middle mouse button clicks to close tabs, enabling a scrollable tab strip, adjusting tab hover behavior, displaying memory usage information on hover preview cards, and modifying the appearance of inactive tabs. Each setting affects a different aspect of tab management, giving you a wide range of customization possibilities. Take a moment to review the available options and turn them on or off according to your preferences. The changes are applied immediately, making it easy to experiment and find a setup that feels comfortable and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully customized the tab settings in Brave browser and tailored the browsing experience to better fit your workflow and personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.